Ours is a country of vast diversity of culture, of religion, of ethnicity, and so many other things. And with this diversity comes varied aspirations of people across the country. And when this happens, there is frequently conflict and sometimes even violence. In essence, integration didn't come at the stroke of the midnight hour in 1947. It is work in progress. And Sunbird Trust is very much a part of that work with what it is trying to do with its motto of peace through education. In a conflict zone, education and empowerment are engines for peace and tranquility. This is the sum and substance of Sunbird Trust's work. At this point of time, we are building 15 such institutions, and all these institutions are called friendship institutions because at these places, this is where the children get to know about plurality, about diversity, about appreciating the culture of others. So one of the policies that we follow at Sunbird Trust is deepen your roots and broaden your vision. It's something very powerful, which means that all our children are expected to celebrate their culture, their roots, the places from where they come, their environment, while at the same time respecting the culture of others. Sunbird has a team of 20 young professionals who have given up very good opportunities in the cities and the towns to come and serve in our remote villages in the Northeast. And they bring a wealth of knowledge. If Sunbird Trust's work is not only sustaining but is growing and is scaling so rapidly, a big thank you must go to our donors who have been so loyal to us over these years. They, through their contribution, are helping us to change the lives and destinies of thousands of children across the Northeast. And another big thank you to our partners who are with us every step of the way in the work that we are doing. I must also say thank you to our teachers who have made great sacrifice. We are very grateful for them for the changes that they are bringing in the lives of our children. We are truly privileged to be part of a country that is well on its way of becoming a superpower. It is here that we can all get together in this quest of peace through education to build a really strong and resurgent India. Jai Hind.